Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of TechNet.com. Today, we're going to continue our lesson on SELinux. In the previous lessons, we've learned a lot about SELinux. We've learned on why we should enable SELinux and how it works. We've learned about the enabled and disabled mode of SELinux, permissive and enforcing mode, which is the enabled mode. We've learned about SELinux policy and SELinux context. We've learned about how to troubleshoot SELinux with the Restocon utility and the manage utility. All right. So in today's lesson, we're going to learn about SELinux Boolean. Booleans are SELinux functionalities of a policy that can be turned on or turned off. If the Boolean for a particular syscall function is disabled or turned off, then the syscall will be terminated. To get the Booleans on a Linux system, use the command get -a. This shows all the booleans on a Linux system. You can see that there are lots of them. So to get the boolean of a particular service, for example, the Apache service, you can use the grep command to do that. So we can grep for HTTPD, right? So you can see all the booleans that are associated with HTTPD. Look at the last line here, the HTTPD underscore verify underscore DNS off. So it means that this boolean is off. That simply means that HTTPD would not be able to verify DNS. If you want Apache to be able to verify DNS, you need to turn on this boolean. So don't forget, I said boolean. If the boolean of a particular syscall function is disabled, then the syscall will be terminated. If you want a syscall, for example, if you want HTTPD to be able to use NFS, you need to turn on the boolean. Otherwise, that function will not work. That is why it is very important to always check booleans when troubleshooting SELinux. Like I said, check the context, check the booleans, right? And if a boolean for a particular function is turned off, you need to turn it on. To turn on the boolean on a Linux system, you use the command set SEBool, right? Followed by the boolean you want to turn on, for example, verify DNS, right? Then I'm going to do on, right? So I've been able to turn on this boolean. To verify, you can use the get SEBool command, right? With the boolean name, so you can grep for the particular boolean, which is this, right? So you can see that the boolean is turned on. You should note that turning on a boolean with this option will not make your changes persistent. To make the changes persistent, you need to use the -p capital P command, right? Set SEBool. Then here you put -p in uppercase, then you do on. You see that it's taking time this time around. Unlike the first one that we did, it was just fast. So you can see that the changes has been made persistent. Okay, to turn off a boolean as well, you need to use the same option here and do off. Okay, so you see that it's taking time also. Okay, we're still waiting for it. Right, so the boolean has been turned off. Okay, and to verify, you can use the same command to verify. You can see that the boolean is turned off. Another important thing you should know is the audit D service. Yes, so this is the what SELinux uses to log its event, right? So this service needs to be running audit D before SELinux can log its event to the location var log audit.log. Audit.log. If this service is not running, then SELinux will not be able to log its event to that location. We've talked about this in one of the previous lessons. Okay, so this is how you can enable and or disable Boolean in SELinux. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and bye for now.